prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. In this podcast, you're going to know their differences, also their similarities. But before that, I'm going to tell you guys that all cells share four common components. Number one, a plasma membrane, an outer covering that separates the cell's interior from its surrounding environment. Number two, cytoplasm, consisting of a jelly-like region within the cell in which other cellular components are found. Number three, DNA, the genetic material of the cell. And number four, ribosomes, particles that synthesize proteins. However, prokaryotes differ from eukaryotic cells in several ways. Now, we're going to proceed to their differences. First, prokaryotic cell is a type of cell that doesn't have a true nucleus or membrane-bound organelles. It's covered in all cell membrane. Also, prokaryotic cells surrounded by nuclear membrane. It has several elements. Organisms within the domain bacteria and archaea are prokaryotics, while all forms of life are eukaryotic cells. So as I said, bacteria and archaea are prokaryotics. They are single-celled microorganisms with no nuclei. Nuclei is a plural form of nucleus. So let's proceed to eukaryotic cells. So eukaryotic cells contains membrane-bound organelles, larger and more complex than prokaryotic cells, tend to be 10 to 100 times the size of prokaryotic cells, has a dual nucleus. Well, I guess that is all for their differences, and now I'm going to talk about their similarities. Well, they are both has cell membrane, genetic material, ribosomes, and cytoplasm. So the cell membrane, this is the selective barrier, while genetic material this function is to inform cell. The function of ribosomes is to facilitate the RNA